Some great advice to help you with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a confusing step to take if you are just starting out. This video brings together many of the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing, so you can better understand what you are getting into. Read these tips to avoid pitfalls, and push yourself to a better financial prospect for your website. Check current news headlines to see if you can use them to your internet marketing advantage. A news story on electrical outages, for example, is perfect for you if you are in the solar industry. Use news stories for blog post ideas and real-life examples of why your product or service is a necessary purchase. When you design your site for your affiliate advertising venture, it is vitally important that you understand that you will not get paid unless your visitors click on the links that you post on your page. Many times, informational pages will not get you very many clicks, as most people visiting your site are not looking for a product. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make sure that your affiliate company offers their sales statistics in real time. Real-time statistics let you see the number of visitors who have been directed from your site, and how many of those visitors made a purchase from the affiliate company. A useful affiliate marketing tip is to seek out a company that frequently creates products. Join a reliable company that has multiple products for great repeated business. Stay away from fly-by-night companies or fad products that won't be around tomorrow. In order to become the best possible affiliate marketer, you will have to understand the market in which you are competing. Figure out the problems in your market and its limitations and then work to push past them. There is a wide range of free resources around the web to help you keep tabs on any market. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, you should make your text very easy to read. Shorter sentences of varying length are much easier for readers to digest. Bold text helps draw readers to important statements. Assuring that visitors read your copyright will ensure that it can sell them products. The video you just read offered you many tips on what you should and should not do when working with affiliate marketing. Understanding affiliate marketing can make it much less difficult and daunting to use. Follow the tips in the video to put yourself heads above the competition, and reap the benefits of this brilliant technique. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.